Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Spy Money. Talk about the webinars, the training webinars I'm going to do this week. It's a short week. I'm going to do 2 today. So if you go into our website, go to training webinars, scroll down, and I've listed them out. We've got one tonight at 8 o'clock, but the very first one is today at noon. I'm going to throw one in. I've got some people that work evening shifts and stuff, and they're wanting to get in on the live training. So let's do one today at noon Eastern Time. So that'll be 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And then we're going to do one tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So far, just 8 o'clock at night. These last about an hour. So what you need to do is go in here. And for today's, you would go into the noon one. Click on that. And whenever you click on it, it will open up a registration page to where you can put your name and your email address in. You click register, and then you will get a link sent to your email to let you know where to go at the designated time. You can go ahead and register for every one of these right now. You don't have to wait. We're going to stop on Thursday. Christmas Eve is on Friday. So we're going to go ahead and stop on Thursday. And I might put one in on Christmas Eve, something a little bit different. I'm not sure. I don't have any plans or anything, so I may do that. That's for future knowledge, though. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But these are definite times that we're going to do. And we're going to talk about how to trade futures. You know, how do we get in and make our money? How do we scalp the market and go in and like a thief in the night and just take the money from them? That's what we want to do. How are we going to be in stealth mode? How can we get all dressed up to where we're in camo and stuff and just sneak in there, grab the money, and get out? That's what we're going to talk about, is stealth mode. So let me know if I have any questions for you or for me, and you go to the contact page. You can send an email here, and that will come directly to me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you, help you out. We do have some different products, a lot of different things. You can go in here, you can click on these 3, or you can just go down. I'm a NinjaTrader trader, so if you go to NinjaTrader, this is mainly what I do. In my opinion, right now, the best deal is the bundle both, and we're going to talk about this cross tonight. So when you join the webinars, you get discounts. So if you're not in the webinar, no discount. So when you get the webinar, you get signed up, and we will throw out a discount code. So anything you want to buy that we talk about during that particular webinar, then you get a discount for. So if you're wanting a discount, wait till then. If you can't make the webinar, sorry, you will have to just pay right here. Any questions, let me know. Appreciate it. You all have a great day, and I hope you make lots of money.